Report Management List allows users to view their created reports within the Mine tab and reports that are shared with them in the All tab. In Tempus, you can create new reports, view the reports within a list view, access your own created reports and shared reports, search for reports, open created reports, and clone and delete existing reports. Report Management. You can see this All versus Mine tab here. The Mine will show you the ones that you have created or are the owner for, including the name, the source of the model, the description, who owns the report, when it was created, who updated it last, and when it was last updated. Additionally, you can clone or delete your reports as well. Delete will only delete the reports that you own and not ones that are shared with you. Additionally, you can search for reports as well if needed. Within the All tab here, you can see the system reports if you have access to them, and any reports that are shared with you as well. Within here, you have the access to clone the reports, but again, you can only delete the reports that you have created.